Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new then welcome to my channel. Today's video is a one brand tutorial and I will be using Maybelline products. So Maybelline is one of the best and one of the most affordable drugstore brand, and if you are interested then please keep on watching. Firstly, I have washed and moisturized my face as usual. So to start off, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I have skipped primer here because this foundation is poreless and mattifying, which means that it will reduce oil and shine, plus it will blur the pores as well. However, if you have enlarged pores or textured skin, you can use a primer. Next, I will use a concealer and I'm in the shade medium. This is also from Fit Me. I will use this on my pigmented areas. If you do not have a concealer, you can add another layer of foundation in your pigmented areas. It will also work really good. This is a lightweight concealer and it gives a very natural coverage. In case you want a better coverage than this one, then you can go for the Age Rewind concealer. The Age Rewind concealer is a little bit thicker and heavier than this one. Next, to set my face, I will use the Fit Me Compact and I'm in the shade 220 Natural Beige. The coverage of this compact is pretty decent. Next, for the brows, I will use the Fashion Brow Duo Shaper and this is in the shade Grey. It has two sides. On one side there is the pencil and on the other side there is powder to set the brows. Firstly, I will fill the gaps of my brows with this one. Doing the brows gives you a very neat and a polished look. I have said this in my previous videos as well, but this is quite true. It does make a huge difference. Then I will set my brows with the powder. This is an optional step. I have skipped the eyeshadow here. I will use a liner and this is the Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner and I will draw a wing liner with this one. This is one of the most hyped and most raved products of Maybelline, but sadly I do not have the same opinion. The pigmentation and the staying power is pretty good, but the gel gets dry too fast, and once it's dry it's really difficult to glide the product, and also it is not smudge proof. I don't know if it's only me who has this opinion, but I am not a big fan of this product. I am using it only because I have it, but otherwise I don't think that I will repurchase this one. Also, I will add this in my lower lash line from the center to the end. Now for the waterline, I am using Maybelline Lasting Drama Light Line Pencil in the shade White Luster. This is a shiny white kajal. It, however, doesn't last for a very long time on the waterline. You have to reapply it. White kajals give the appearance of bigger eyes. If you have small or hooded eyes, then definitely invest in a white or a nude eye pencil. I prefer shiny white than the matte one, and also this is a multi-purpose product. In today's video, I have used it for highlighting some parts of my face as well. Next, for my blush, I'll use the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick and I'm in the shade East Village Rose. It looks really pretty as a blush. Whenever you are using a cream product for blush or for contouring, always set it with a powder to make it last longer. Lastly, for my lips, I will use the Creamy Matte Lipstick and this is in the shade Vibrant Violet. This is not my type of shade, but nonetheless, it's a stunning, bold, bright purple lipstick which is very wearable too. It has hints of pink in it and the color just stands out. So yeah, this is my final look. Now keeping everything same, I will just change the lip color, and this time I'll use Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Groundbreaker, which is a rusty terracotta red shade. Whenever you're skipping eyeshadow, always use a bold lipstick as it just takes away all the attention. Also, a wing liner or a smoked out kajal complements the entire look. I will add some mascara as well. This is by Colossal. So guys, this is a very simple and also a very wearable look which is appropriate for parties and also appropriate for day-to-day basis. And this is not very time consuming. You can achieve it within 15 minutes. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And I shall see you soon in my next video. Until then, this is Alka signing off. Take care and bye-bye.